Hi everyone, welcome back to another session of SAP SD. Myself Manoj, certified SAP SD and transportation management consultant. This session will be dedicated for customer master. For more ideas on SAP SD, make sure you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for upcoming sessions. So in this session, we'll discuss about central T codes for customer master, then sales and distribution transaction codes, finance transaction codes, and very important part is what message type control for customer master. Here I will show you the list of message type controls for customer master and we'll check the functionality of it. Then last but not least, I will show you the standard reports which we have for customer master. Then before going to check all the transaction codes and all, as a fresher, we have to understand and we have to know what are the views we have in customer master. So customer master, we have general data, we have company code data, and we have sales area data. So quickly we'll go to the SAP system and we'll check the views in customer master. Either you can use XT01, you can use XT02, or you can use XT02 to see the view of customer master. I'll go to XT02, select one customer which you have created, enter. Then here you can see we are having three views. First is sales area data, then first is general data, sales area data, then company code data. So we have three views are there in customer master. What are those? First one is general data, then click on company code data, then sales area data. So total we have three views. Then for customer master we have three types of transaction codes. One is central T code, finance T code, and sales and distribution T codes. So what is central T codes? By using central T codes we can access all three views. What are the all three views? First is general data, then company code data, then sales area data. So in central T codes, one user can access all views which we have in customer master. Finance T code, user can access general data and company code data. Here in FI transaction codes, we cannot give access to create, change, display sales area data. So that will be restricted to FI end user. Then what is sales T code? What are the things we can access? We can access general data and we can access sales area data. So central T codes, by using central T codes, user can access all three views of customer master, that is general data, company code data, and sales area data. FIT codes, user can access general data, company code data, and SDT code, user can access general data and sales area data. So general data can be accessed from all transaction codes. Okay, all transaction codes. So here we have to understand that why SAP has given three types of transaction code instead of central T codes. Because in central T codes we can access general view, company code data, and sales area data views. But why SAP has given FI and SDT codes? In real time, end user is responsible for master data creation, change, display, track the changes of customer master, blocking of customer master, flag for deletion, or change account group. Okay, so in real time, for some clients, one user is responsible for all three views. One user can access general data, company code data, sales area data. Then we can give access for central T codes to end user so that they can access all the views. First point, they can access all the views. They can create the customer master, change, display, track the changes of customer master, blocking, deletion flag and account root change of customer master. Another scenario, other clients, they have separate end user for FI and SD. For FI end user, they will not give access to sales area data, and for SD end user, they will not give access to finance company code data, because if SD user will change company code data, then there might be some risk factor is there. If FI user, because suppose FI end user is not having knowledge about the SD and FI user will change some SD parameters in customer master, then some issue will then some issue may occur. So we'll restrict one user to FI user to sales area data and SD user to company code data. So in this scenario, based on client requirement, based on client business requirement, they can use central T code or they can use FI and SD T codes. Okay, so first of all, we'll discuss the central T codes. As we know, by using central T codes, we can access all three views in customer master: general data, company code data, and sales area data. So transaction code to create customer master centrally XD01, to change customer master centrally XD02, display customer master centrally XD03, track the changes XD04, block customer master XD05, flag for deletion XD06, change account group XD07. So now we'll execute one by one transaction codes. In previous previous session of customer master, I showed you how to create the customer master centrally. Once again, I will show you. So now we'll create one customer master XD01. Then now select standard account group as 0001, which is for sold to party. Then give your company code, then sales area. Sales area is nothing but sales organization, distribution channel, then division. Then press enter. Then give the title company, then customer name. Suppose customer name is MT Technologies. Search term short name MT, then address Bangalore. Give the postal code, then I'll give Bangalore, Karnataka. Suppose give any code. Okay, then company code data. In company code data, I have to fill reconciliation account, then terms of payment, then payment history record. Thereafter, I'll go to sales area data. In sales area data, I'll fill the mandatory fields. Then go to billing document. I'll fill Incoterm. Terms of payment as 0001. Then tax classification of customer. Then save it. So now I can create customer master around all views: general data, company code data, and sales area data. Save it. When we'll save, system will generate one customer number. So now customer number is 16116. Okay, so now we have created customer master. Creation is done. Now we'll change. If you want to change anything in customer master, then we have to use XD02. So quickly I'll go to the XD02. I'll go to the general data. You can change any field. Suppose here I'll change name from MT Technology to MT Foods India Private Limited. So now I have changed the customer name from MT Technologies to MT Foods India Private Limited. Anything if you want to change, you can change by using XD02. Save it. changes has been made. Again enter if you want to change the transportation zone from all 01 to all 02, you can change anything, you can change. Okay, save it. Then next transaction code is what? Next transaction code is display the customer master. XT03 you can display, you cannot change anything, it will be in display mode. If you want to see the customer details, you can use XT03, then enter. Based on user, they will give the access, either they will give XT01, XT02, XT03 or whatever it may be. Now you cannot change anything, all fields are grayed out, it is in display mode. Okay, so you can see all the views, sales area data, shipping tab, billing tab, partner determination, you can see. The next, track the changes. If any changes has been made for that customer, if you want to see the change log, then you use xd04 /xd04. Previously I have changed two things, one is customer name and another one is transportation zone. So sorry, my company name is S100, not M100. Okay, enter. Now two changes has been made by me. One is name of the customer and another one is transportation zone of customer. Okay, so I'll again, you can see here name changed. Double click on name. Old name was MT Technologies. I have changed from MT Technologies to MT Foods India Private Limited. So here you can see the changes. If you want to see these changes has been made by whom, which user ID, date and time, then again double click on this MT Foods. These changes has been made on 7th of May 2022. Time and user ID is Manoj. Changes has been made by me. Okay, so you can see the admin log. Again, I'll change some other fields. You change some other field, XT02, enter. I'll change the terms of payment, sales terms of payment from 0001 to 0005, then save it. Now go to XT04, company code, enter. Now terms of payment is updated in change log. Double click on terms of payment. Initial terms of payment was 0001 and new terms of payment is 0005. Okay, so in this way, if you want to track the changes of customer master, you can track. Then next important transaction code is block of customer master. When will block for customer master? If customer is not having a business relationship with the company, then company will block that customer for sales or posting, accounting posting. Sales order, we can block the customer at sales order level, delivery level, or we can block for billing. Apart from this, we can block for posting, revenue accounting posting. So here we'll check transaction code is XD05. Go to XD05, enter. First I'll check the sales and distribution part, then I'll go to the posting block. So here what we have to do, for testing purpose, we have to extend this customer to multiple sales area. So how to extend the customer master? What is the transaction to extend customer master? Transaction code is same, creation transaction code XT01. By using XT01, I can extend this customer from one sales area to another sales area, one company code to another company code. So now this is the customer code 116. You can, if you click on customer sales area, then you can get the sales area for which customer is already created. So customer is already created for one sales area. Sales area is nothing but sales organization, distribution channel, and division. So this customer 116 customer is created against S100 sales organization, 1S distribution channel, and 1S division. Now I want to extend from 1S division to 2S division. You can extend from one division to another division, one distribution channel to another distribution channel, one sales organization to another sales organization, one company code to another company code. So in reference, we have to give the customer code, we have to give the company code, we have to give the company code for which customer is already created. Then sales organization S100, S1, sorry, 1S, 1S, then division 1S. Now I want to extend to 2S, then here you can change. In reference, once again I'll repeat it. In reference, we have to give the input for which customer is already created for that organizational unit. Then change the division, then press enter. It is blocked by Manoj because here I have opened this customer. So I'll close this /n, then go to previous screen, then enter. Just enter, then save it. Just enter, then save it. Okay. So now if you want to see the customer sales area, then here you will get two sales area. If you want to extend to another division, then you can extend to another division. I'll extend to 3S. Enter, then save it. Again, if you want to extend to 4S division, you can extend 4S. Enter. Sorry, 4S. Okay, sales area is not assigned in enterprise structure for 4S. So I'll give 1S. Okay, so here you'll find 3 sales area. It is extended to 3 sales area. Okay, done. Now we'll test one by one. So go to transaction code XT05 to block the customer master. In real time, when business will block the customer, if customer payment is overdue. First scenario, customer is not having business with company further, or any other reasons. If you want to stop the transaction for that customer, we have to block it. So transaction code is XT05. Give the customer code, company, and sales area. Press enter. First we'll check the order block. First, all sales area. If I'll block for all sales area, then system will not allow to create sales order across all the sales area for which customer is extended. Now create sales order. I'll check for 2 sales area because I have extended to 3 sales area. VA01, enter. Give the customer code 116. After entering this customer code, system should give error message. Now you can see customer 116 has been assigned to order block. For which sales area? This sales area. S100, 1S, 1S. But if we'll go to blocking customer blocking screen, XD05 screen, then in XD05 I have blocked for sale across all the sales area. Across all sales area. Here you can see all sales area. Even if I'll create sales order for other sales area, then it should block for sales order creation. So now I'll change the sales area. VA01. I'll change the sales area from division from 1S to 2S. Enter. Then customer code 116. Again it will 116. Again it will be blocked for sales order creation. So order is customer is blocked across all the sales area to stop sales order creation. Now we'll check selected sales area. If we'll give selected sales area, then what will happen? System will block for this sales area only, this sales area, S100, S100, 1S, 1S. System will block for this, but I can create for S100, 1S, 2S, because for this sales area order is not blocked. But previous case it was blocking for all sales area. Now save. Now create sales order. BA01, 1S, enter. Now it's blocked for S100, 1S, 1S. I'll create sales order for S100, 1S and 2S division. Then it should not block. Enter. Enter. Now you can see for this sales area, system is not blocking to create sales order. Enter. Then create sales order. Now sales order got created. Okay, so now we have checked for sales order creation. If any requirement for client that customer has to block for delivery, system should allow to create order, but system should not allow to create delivery for this customer across all sales area. Then here you have to put delivery block, credit limit, save. Then we have to create order, then delivery. System should allow to create sales order for all sales area, but it should block for delivery across all sales area. Now save. Order created. Now try to create delivery. In delivery level it will be blocked. Enter. Now we are getting message. Sorry, go back. My shipping point is S100. Enter. So it's giving message that ship to party is blocked for delivery. Ship to party is blocked for delivery for S100, 1S, 1S sales area. Now I'll test for S100, 1S and 2S sales area, because overall block is there across all sales area, so it is already blocked. For this also it will block. Now create a new sales order, give another sales area, enter. Here also in sales order level itself giving one warning message, customer 116 has delivery block due to credit limit, because I have given the region as credit limit. Enter. Now you can cross check your sales area. Sales area is different as 100, 1S, 2S. Save it. Now delivery. Then again same block for this. Ship to party is blocked for delivery. So it is blocked across all sales area. Now enter. Now selected sales area. Selected sales area means what? It will block for delivery for this sales area only. If I'll create delivery for S100, 1S and 2S, system should allow to create delivery, but for this sales area, system should not allow to create delivery. So quickly save this, then create two sales order. first I will create for S100, it will be blocked for S100, then I will create for S200, it should not block for S200. BA01, enter. For S100 you can see it's giving warning message. Here you can see your sales area S100 1S, save it. Then create delivery, enter. Now it's blocking for delivery. Now I'll change the sales area. BA01, change 2S. For 2S it should not block. It's not giving any message in sales order level. You can cross check your sales area, it is 2S. Create delivery. I can able to create the delivery. Enter. Delivery created. Okay, so here we have tested delivery block. Same thing, billing block across all sales area. I'll check the billing block also. Save. Here we have to create order, delivery, then billing. So BA01, enter. Now I'm creating sales order for S100, S100, 1S and 1S. Now create delivery. PGI, then it should block for billing. VF01, enter. Now not processed, it is an error. How to see the log? Click on edit, then click on log. You will get the proper message. Pair 116 is blocked for billing. Now create sales order for another division, another sales area. 2S, X, then sales document, then delivery. Post goods issue, then VF01. Now blocking across all sales area. Now client requirement is what customer should be blocked for a particular sales area only. Customer should be blocked for billing for particular sales area only. Then selected sales area. Here selected sales area, again it will block only for this sales area, not block for other sales area. Only block for S100, 1S. System should not block for 2S. So again I have to create two sales order for two sales area. So quickly go to VA01, enter. Enter. Save it. For this sales area, it should block. Delivery. Enter. Then pick quantity. Enter. Then post goods issue. It should block for S100, 1S and 1S, already blocked. But for 2S, it should not block. System should allow to create invoice. Now I'll change the sales area 2S. No messages. delivery, post goods issues, then invoice is VF01, enter, then save. Now system allowed to create invoice. The next blocking is what? Next blocking is company code blocking. We can block it. Posting block. Posting block can be blocked at company code level. So check this. Then again, how to test this? This customer should be belongs to two separate company code. So for that, for testing this scenario, what you have to have it? We have to have two company code, two enterprise structure. So here I have created S100 company code and Z100 company code. For S100, S100 1S and 1S is my sales area. For Z100 company code, Z1, 1Z and 1Z is my sales area, means distribution channel, sales organization, distribution channel and division. Now I have created 116. So I'll extend this from one enterprise structure to another enterprise structure, means one company code, one sales area to another company code, another sales area. Okay, so this sales area, company code and sales area, customer is already created. Now I'll give the different company code, Z100, Z100, 1Z, 1Z, enter. Then save it. Just I'll go to billing tab. Okay, here I have to maintain 01. For this testing, guys, I'll tell you what are the precondition to test this posting block. Posting block is what? I'll explain what is posting block. We are having a revenue account determination. In billing level, we are having revenue accounting entries. Invoice value will be when you create order delivery and invoice. When you save the invoice, then in backend system will generate revenue accounting entries. What would be the revenue accounting entries? Customer account debit to revenue account credit. Okay, so I have extended this customer to two company code, two enterprise structure. You create two enterprise structure with reference to two enterprise structure. We are having different sales organization, different distribution channel, different division, different plant, different shipping point. So you have to have it and create the material master plant wise. Then now I'll create one sales order, VA01. So here XD05, once again I will cross check whether we have checked block for posting or not. So block for posting, I'll check for all company code, save it, all company code, enter. Then try to create invoice for two company codes. So before check, I'll create one invoice. Then I'll show you the impact on posting block. Now you check without any check. Now you test without any check. Now create sales order for any company code, VA01, enter, customer code 116, metal code X, save it. Then create delivery, enter, PGI, then VF01, enter, then save it. So giving some errors. Let me check what is the error. 116 is block. How come it's not blocked? Oh, sorry, 116. Sorry, 116. I'll uncheck this. Okay, for 116, actually, I have removed for 113. So again, create a new. Okay, create VF02. Okay, posted into accounting. If it is unchecked, then invoice value will be posted into accounting and accounting document will be generated. Now click on accounting. You will get this accounting entries. So as if you are fresher, then you cannot test this without revenue account determination. So if you want to test and if you want to do the standard setup, then please please text me on inbox comment box, so that I can guide you how to test without any configuration. Okay, so now I'll check posting block. Sorry, XD05. Go to XD05, then I'll check posting block for all company codes. So I have two company codes, one is S100 and another one is Z100. So now I have to check for two company codes. Now we have to test for two company codes. So I have to create two invoices. VA01, enter customer code 116, material code for S100, 1S sales area is X, save it. Then click on sales document, delivery, enter. Post goods issues, then VF01, enter. Then now you should get one error. Error is what? No accounting document generated. No accounting document generated below. Then how to see the log? What is the reason that accounting has not been posted into GL account? Value has not been posted into GL account. Go to change mode of billing. Transaction code to go for change of billing is VF02. Then click on this release to accounting. Then you will get the exact error. You can see account means customer 116 for S100 company code is blocked for posting. Now it is working for S100 and I have checked across all the company code. Then I have to check for another company code. Create invoice for another company code Z100, 1Z, 1Z, enter. Then customer code 116, then X, sorry, customer code for Z100 is M01, save it. Delivery, enter. Okay, split. So go back. Here you change your shipping point. For Z100 company code, I am having Z100 plant. For Z100 plant, I have Z100 shipping point. So you give your respective shipping point. Then post goods issue. Now create VF01. For VF01 also it should block for posting. Change mode. You can release the flag, then you will get the error. So account 116 is blocked for Z100 company code as well. Okay. So next is what? this is the last for blocking part. So selected company code means it will block for S100, not for Z100. Now if I'll check selected company code, then I have entered through S100 company code and it will block for this company code only. Save it. Enter. It will not block for Z100 right now. Directly I'll create for Z100. S100 it will block, you can check. But now I'll create check for Z100 directly. Okay, Z100, 1Z, 1Z. So it is blocked for S100, it is not blocked for Z100. Save. Then deliver. Enter. Then PGI. Now it will not block for Z100 company code. Invoice amount 1000 will be posted into accounting. It's posted, no error. You can see change. If you click on accounting, then accounting document generated. So guys, if you are fresher, then you can understand about the revenue account determination when we do revenue account determination. So right now, no need to worry about this. If you want to test by using standard configuration, then you comment me. I'll guide you how to test it. One single step you have to do. Okay. Then next is what? Next transaction code is flag for deletion. So remember, in SAP we cannot delete customer master and material master permanently from the database. We can do flag. If you check the deletion flag, then it will act as a deletion, but we can retrieve this customer master. We can recover this customer master by uncheck deletion flag. So I'll check what is xt06. xt06. Now enter sales area. So here you can flag for deletion for all sales area, selected sales area, and selected company code. Okay. Save. If you'll delete, then what will happen? Enter. Now you go to xt03. Go to xt03. Go to xt03. xt03. If you want to see anything, then now system will give one warning message. Customer 116 deletion flag is there, but you can go inside the customer master and you can see. This is for xt03. What about xt02? Again go to xt02. Then again system will give warning message. It is just warning message. Click on continue, then you can go inside this and you can change anything. System will allow to change this. What about xt01? xt01, sorry, xt01. Here we have deleted for S100 company code. So you have to give S100 organizational unit, not Z100 organizational unit. Then when we'll enter, sorry. Here we have to give the customer code, guys, because I have blocked at customer level for 116. Okay, then enter. Now Sorry. Suppose I'll extend to some other sales area. 2S and division is 1S. Enter. If we'll enter, then here system should give not define. Actually, we don't have in this sales area. So 1S, 2S, it should give. Okay, actually sales area is not there. Okay, but in creation mode also, if you extend from one sales area to another sales area, it should give the error message. Okay, then suppose a very important part is what, if you go to SPRO, now it is giving warning message. Client requirement is what, it should give the error message. If customer is flagged for deletion, then now it is giving warning message, but I want to convert this warning message to error message so that user cannot able to access this customer. User cannot able to see this customer by using XD03. User cannot able to change the customer master by using XD02, or user cannot able to extend this customer master by using XD01. So that will be achieved through customer message master control. So what is customer message master control? Go to SAP reference IMG, then go to logistic general, then go to business partner, then customer, then control, then we are having change message control for customer master. So guys, please remember, message type for customer master flag for deletion is 131. Then give error message, enter. So 131 is what, customer end is marked for deletion. If customer is marked for deletion, then system should give error message. E stand for error message, then save it. Okay, so now use XT03, try to view the customer master. Now system is giving error message. This is error message. I cannot go inside. Initially it was giving warning message. Now I have to move from warning message to error message. So XD03 is working fine. Now I'll go to XD02. Here client requirement is, if customer is flagged for deletion, then user cannot able to change this customer master. XD02. Now I'll check whether I can able to change this customer. No, error message, I cannot able to change this customer master. So how to move warning to error message? This is message type control. And another one important message type control is what, if customer is duplicating the sales order, same sales, not sales order, sorry, if customer is duplicating by duplicating the customer master, same customer master he is creating multiple times, then how will give the solution to the client? First I'll create a customer master with same name and same address. Enter. Manoj technology, suppose. MTT, give the address, give same address, same postal code, everything same, name and address should be same, then system will give you message. Next time when we'll create customer master for same name, same address, then it should give one warning message that Customer is already created with sales area, so user can check whether he is duplicating the sales customer master or not. Then sales area data. Then I'll fill the mandatory fields, shipping condition. Then go to billing document. In billing document, I will maintain Incoterms, terms of payment, tax classification, then save it. Save. Now once again I will create with same, then system will not give any message, but as per client requirement it should give message. Now it's not giving message. If you want to give message, if your client requirement is, if customer is duplicating, if user is duplicating the customer master, then message type is 145. Okay, 145 information message. For this we don't have error message because customer may be multiple customer may be from same location, so just giving warning message to cross check. Okay, now once again create a sales order with same address, PH01, enter. Sorry here, I have to create customer master instead of sales order. So XD01, enter. Same address, I am giving same input. Now system should give one message. Now it is giving message, you can see. So customer found with same address, continue. If you want to see, then 117 Manoj technology is already created. Then he will cross check it, whether this customer name is same or not, address is same or not. Then user will not create further. So control is where? Message control 145. Message control 145. Now customer is flag for deletion. Okay. Then next transaction code is what? Next transaction code is change account group. Change account group is what? Suppose by mistakenly user created customer master with 000 account group, but it should be some other account groups. So account group can be changed centrally. So we have XD07 centrality code, we don't have FD07 or we don't have VD07 because account group can be changed through central transaction codes only. So now I'll show you how to change account group from how to change customer account group. So go to change mode of the customer XD02. Then first you have to check 117, you have to check the account group. How to check the account group? Go to change mode or create mode of the customer. 116, suppose 116, enter. Flag for deletion, then 117 is not created or what? 117 is there. Okay, now this is the customer code. How to get the account number? Go to first, I will show you where we will maintain the account group. When we have created one customer, just remember we have created with standard account group 0001. 0001 is for sold to party. Okay, now suppose I don't know for which account group I have created customer master, but which account group I have used. Then go to change mode or display mode of the customer master, enter. Then go to extras, then administrative data. In administrative data you can see 0001 over here. Now I want to change from 0001 to some other account group. Then we have to go to XD07, 117, then continue. Then here you can change. Suppose here I'll change from 0001 to M001. Enter. Save it. Now account group changed successfully. Again, how to check whether whether changes has been made or not? Again, go to XT02. Initially it was 0001, but I have changed from 0001 to M001. Again, go to extras, go to administrative data. Then in administrative data, we have M001. Okay, so now we have checked all transaction codes from central. Now I'll go to FDT transaction code. Suppose for any client they are having two end user to create customer master, then only we'll use FIT code and SDT codes. If for any client, if they are having one end user who is creating a customer master for all the views, means general data, company code data, and sales area data, then we'll give authorization for XT01 to XT07. Will not use FD or VD transaction code, FI or SD transaction codes. So star mark again. If any client is having two separate end user to create customer master, then we have to use FIT code and SDT codes. So now I'll show you what is FIT codes: FD01, FD02, FD03, FD04, FD05, FD06. By using FIT codes, user can access only two views. One is general data and another one is company code data. One is general data and another one is company code data. So if we'll talk about the creation part, then first FI user will create the company code. FI user will create customer master. By using FD01, he will fill general data and company code data. Thereafter, FI end user will share the customer code to SD end user, and SD end user will create the customer code. So now I will show you how they are creating. First, FI will come into the picture. So FI will create one customer master. FIT code is FD01. In FD01, you will get one option here, company code. After account group, we are having company code over here, but in central T code, you will find company code as well as your sales area. Enter. Then here you can fill the name. Then maintain CUTTSCK address. So FI end user can access general data and company code data. FI we cannot give authorization to access sales area data. So that we have given access for FIT code to FI end user. Save it. Now customer created 118. Then this 118 customer code FI end user will share with SDT code. Thereafter SD end user will create customer master. So transaction code for SD is VD01 to create customer master. Here you will get only sales area. Here company code is not there. Just give the customer code over here 118. Then enter. Now general data already filled by FI end user. Now I'll fill sales area data. Customer code, remember customer code is 118. Now SD views will be added to 118. So now we combine FI and SD. So you can see XT03, all views will be there. General data, company code data, then sales area data, customer code 118. Now you are having all views. General data is there. After general data, we are having company code data. After company code, sales area data. Okay. So this is the T codes. Okay, now FD02 change, then you can change only general data and company code data. FD02 general data and company code. Here sales area is not there. Same thing. You can change only general data and company code data. You can track the changes of general data and company code data. Block the customer master general data and company code data posting block. Flag for deletion for general data and company code data. Same thing. If you use the SD transaction code, then you can access general data as well as sales area data. Here SD end user cannot able to access the company code data. Same thing. VD01 create general data and sales area data. VD02 change general data and sales area data. VD03 display general data and display sales area data. VD04 track the changes of general data, sales area data. Block of customer master, you can block at sales area level, you can delete at sales area level. So these are the transaction codes which we have for SD, sorry, customer master. Then how to extend the customer master? Already I showed you how to extend the customer master. Then next is what are the reports we have. These are the standard reports we have for customer master. So I will show you one report, you will execute remaining 4 reports. So suppose your client requirement is to get the list of customer sales area wise, block at sales order level, block at delivery level, block at billing level. So transaction code is VCUST. This is the transaction code to get the list of customer based on different input parameter: sales area, sales organization, distribution channel, division, block for order centrally, block for order SD. So you can track, you will get the execute, then you will get the list of customer. So remaining transaction code you can see. And here I am giving one important assignment to you. You just cross check from your end and give your answer on inbox. Comment your answer here. So question is what? After flag for deletion in customer master, it does not show error message. So now customer is flag for deletion. So we have checked at customer level. Now we will check in sales order creation level. Suppose customer code is 116, it is flagged for deletion. Then while creating sales order, now system is giving one warning message. System is giving one warning message. Customer 116 is marked for deletion. As it is warning message, I can able to create the sales order. I can able to create the sales order. I can able to create the sales order. Enter. Then save it. Okay, order created. But my client requirement is what? If customer is flagged for deletion, then while creating sales order, system should give error message. So please cross check from your end and let me know. Okay. So guys, if you have any question, you can ask me. I'll help you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this session. See you soon.